Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the controversial political landscape of Zimbabwe, focusing on a recent, rather contentious development. The appointment of family members to significant government positions by President Emmerson Mnangagwa has sparked a heated debate about nepotism and the integrity of democratic processes in Zimbabwe. Let's set the scene. Just last week, President Mnangagwa made headlines by appointing his own wife to the Women's Parliamentary Caucus. This move, which the government touted as a recognition of her dedication to women's causes, has not sat well with everyone. Critics argue it's yet another example of family favoritism that could undermine the democratic fabric of the nation. But this isn't an isolated incident. Mnangagwa's son and nephew were also recently appointed as deputy ministers. This pattern isn't just a local issue. It reflects a broader tendency in some African nations, where political power often remains within one family, sometimes resembling a dynasty more than a democracy. Why should we care? Well, when political power is concentrated within a family, it can lead to a lack of accountability and transparency. Decisions may favor personal or familial gain over the public good, potentially stalling crucial reforms and economic development. This isn't just about Zimbabwe. From the Congo to Gabon, we see similar patterns where political legacies are passed down like heirlooms, which could stifle fresh ideas and necessary change. Now, contrasting these practices with Mnangagwa's promises of democratic reforms and economic recovery, we find a complex legacy. Despite promises of change, the reality on the ground speaks to ongoing economic challenges, high inflation, and allegations of corruption. So, the big question remains, are we witnessing the consolidation of a political dynasty or genuine efforts at fostering democracy? This situation in Zimbabwe could very well be a defining moment for the region's political landscape. I hope this discussion sparks your interest in the dynamics of political power in Zimbabwe and beyond. Understanding these patterns helps us grasp the broader implications for democracy and governance in similar contexts around the world. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, and as always, keep questioning the world around you.